What's up guys, Andy Sandberg here, and today we're going to be talking about the 5 key things that I'll be focusing on for my strategy in 2023. So first, let's talk about what I've been using so far in 2023. It'll help illustrate the decisions that I'm going to be making in the rest of this video. Right at the beginning of the year, I focused on hitting my VentureX $4,000 sign-up bonus, and I finally got that completed in March. I realized that for me, $4,000 in 3 months was a little close to how much I could actually spend comfortably, so I found myself having to use a lot of cash and not a lot of points when it came to visiting my family in Seattle, as well as I had to buy Amazon gift cards to cover the rest of the balance. I did earn over 90,000 Capital One miles, which mostly came from my regular spending. Now that I have these Capital One miles, I've been looking at all of their transfer partners, coming up with a plan. I want to transfer them possibly to Air Canada's Aeroplan or British Airways, because they do have domestic flights. After I completed the VentureX bonus in March, I signed up for the Chase Inc. Unlimited, as there was an elevated offer of 90,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points going on. This was only a few days after I hit that $4,000 spend on the Capital One VentureX. I'm not wasting any time here. Since I'm relatively new to the whole points and miles game, I think my strategy of gaining sign-up bonuses first and then optimizing for my multiplier earning strategy is a good idea, since I wouldn't really have a lot of points if I just optimized for multipliers now. I want to gain those points with the sign-up bonuses first. So as of now, I'm still working on that $6,000 Chase Inc. Unlimited sign-up bonus, and I'm just putting my regular expenses on there, and then I'll eventually transition that to be business expenses only. I'm just over halfway through the spend requirement, but I only have about 3 weeks left to go, so I gotta spend some more, and I think it's gonna have to come with Amazon gift cards here. So after that, I'm gonna use this card for my YouTube business, since I am starting to take this seriously and treat it like a business. So with that out of the way, the first key that I'm gonna be focusing on is deciding between the AmEx Gold or the World of Hyatt credit card. I really want to get a hotel credit card, especially since Chase is an excellent transfer partner for Hyatt. I may end up getting the AmEx Gold if I can get that 75,000 point sign-up bonus, or even that 90,000 point sign-up bonus, but we're gonna have to see. My current Chase 524 status is only at 324, as I only have the Apple card, the Built Rewards card, and the Capital One VentureX on there, so I do have room to play here. So for those of you who don't know, real quick, the 524 rule basically states you can only open 5 credit cards in the last 24 months to be considered for any Chase credit card. This can be any 5 credit cards, so it does count if I get the AmEx Gold. Does that make sense? My status allows for 2 more cards, so I do feel comfortable adding some more. I want to get into the World of Hyatt program so I can start loading up some points to possibly make a trip out to Europe, or maybe even to Japan. I think that would be so incredible. Currently, the World of Hyatt sign-up bonus is at 60,000 Hyatt points, which some may feel is not really a good sign-up bonus. The sign-up bonus is actually broken up into 2 parts. The first one being you have to spend $3,000 in 3 months. And the second, you have to spend $15,000 in 6 months. So I think spending $3,000 in 3 months is pretty doable for me, as it's only $1,000 a month. To get the full 60,000 points, you would need to spend $15,000 in 6 months, which translates to $2,500 a month of spending. For me, I realistically only spend $1,000 per month, so with that calculated out, I would actually only be getting 12,000 points, making this a total of 42,000 points. Since I would have to spend for 6 months, that also comes at an opportunity cost, since I could be working on another bonus. I'm not sure if I should get this card, because I realistically would only be getting 42,000 points. Let me know guys in the comments below, is it worth it for 6 months, or should I look for something else? If I go ahead and get the World of Hyatt, I may go ahead and get the AmEx Gold later, so let me see which one goes first. But the second key in this video is going to be whichever card comes after. I was originally going to apply for the World of Hyatt card in June after my Inc. sign-up bonus was over, but I'm thinking now I might apply for the AmEx Gold instead. I want to start diversifying my points across all lenders, and since I've never had an AmEx card before, I think this could be a really cool opportunity. I think this is a really cool card, especially since it has excellent multipliers on restaurants, as well as dining. Since I live in a city and I eat out pretty frequently, I would make use of these multipliers pretty well. Like I said earlier in the video, I am looking for that 75,000 point sign-up bonus, but a 90,000 point sign-up bonus would be even better. Since you can only get one bonus per card on Amex per lifetime, it would make sense to try to get the highest sign-up bonus possible. Since I can comfortably spend $4,000 on the sign-up bonus for the AmEx Gold, I am leaning towards this card more than the World of Hyatt right now. I'm excited to have an Amex card, and I will definitely make up the $10 back credits every month and the 4x back on restaurants, as well as the 4x back on groceries. So a lot of you guys say that I look like Andy Samberg. I actually think that's pretty interesting because I do. I just wanted to say that in this video. So let's keep going. So if you guys have any experience with the World of Hyatt credit card or the AmEx Gold credit card, throw that in the comments as well. So the third key in this video is getting the Chase Sapphire Preferred again. This is my second time getting the Chase Sapphire Preferred, and I'm so excited to go round 2 with Chase. I estimate that I'll apply for this card in around October 2023, since I would have already got the AmEx Gold sign-up bonus or the World of Hyatt sign-up bonus. My 48-month rule ends in August 2023, since I got the bonus in August 2019 on the statement. October seems like a good time to apply. So at this point, my 524 status would have climbed all the way up to 524, but the Apple card that I got in 2021 will drop off in October, bringing me back down to 424, so I can apply for the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Even though people are recently being approved over 524 with this recent elevated offer, I don't really want to take any chances when it comes to planning for it, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply when I'm at 424. Hopefully there's an elevated offer around that time. I am gonna try to go for an 80,000 point elevated offer, even 100,000 point, but I'm not sure that's gonna come back. But if I can't get that, I think I'm just gonna go with the 60,000 point offer. After earning the Chase Inc. sign-up bonus of 90,000 Ultimate Rewards points and the Chase Sapphire Preferred sign-up bonus of 80,000 Ultimate Rewards points, I will have earned over 250,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points so far. I only started this year with 60,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points, so going from that to 250,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points is truly insane. I'm gonna bring those points into 2024 with some excellent redemption options. I can't wait to try to find some sick flights and hotels. It's gonna be really cool. Now, by the end of the year, I should have a great amount of travel cards as well as a good set of points. So this next card that I'm gonna apply for in my next key is gonna be a business card. I already have the Chase Inc. Unlimited business card, but when I applied, I filed under a sole proprietorship. Well, I have been working on this YouTube channel for about 3.5 months now, and let me tell you, it is quite the experience. So I wanna take this YouTube channel to the next level and actually get it filed under an LLC. Since I'm gonna be well over 524 going into 2024, I'm gonna slow down on the credit card applications for a bit. I wanna use all of my Amazon gift card points as they're gonna sit around and get eaten away by inflation, as well as plan a trip and optimize my spending. So with the fourth key, I'm gonna apply for another business credit card. I already have the Inc. under my sole proprietorship, but I'm gonna apply for this card, the Chase Inc. Cash, under my LLC. At this time, it'll probably be like January or February when I do this. I really don't know where this channel will go, as I kind of just started this to see what would happen, and I am already reaching 400 subscribers, which is kind of crazy to me. I don't really have a reason to stop, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and get that LLC filed and just treat this like a business and take it more seriously. I'm super excited to keep going, and I wanna thank you guys all once again. But hang on, don't leave yet. I have the next key here. I just wanted to say that. When I finally get all of my sign-up bonuses hit, it is time to optimize my multipliers. Right now, I'm getting a little tired of spending on one card, trying to hit sign-up bonuses. I think eventually it would be really nice to have a great setup where I can optimize my spending and get the best multipliers. Currently, I have the Built MasterCard set up to pay my rent and earn 1x back, as well as you do have to hit the 5 transaction minimum for that card. I have that set up for 5x back on Lyft, which I use Divvy Bikes in Chicago. That counts as 5x back on Lyft. So I really only have to spend $2 or $3 every time I go ride a bike outside, and that counts as a transaction, and I get 5x back. This is a pretty good setup for me, and it really works really well for this build. I'll use the Chase Inc. Unlimited for its 1.5% back on all purchases specifically for my business, such as upgrading camera, upgrading the lights, maybe the microphone, but I'm not really sure what this is gonna look like in 2024. Also, I'll use the Chase Ink cash that I'll probably apply for in 2024 for my internet, as it gets 5x back on internet. I'm gonna use my Chase Freedom Flex for its current 5x back category, and with my Sapphire Preferred, it's gonna stay locked in the drawer since it doesn't have much use. AmEx Gold is gonna be used for 4x back on supermarkets and 4x back on restaurants, as well as the $10 per month credit on Grubhub. I'll probably use that for Shake Shack. This leaves the Venture X to be used for my 2x back catch-all category, but I may end up using my Chase Freedom Unlimited even though it's at 1.5% back. I think Chase points are a little more valuable than Capital One points. I'll have to see how these redemption options go, but either one could kind of go either way. So there are a lot of credit cards on the market, and I just named a few in this video that fit my needs. I want to just show you guys what I'm doing, so maybe you can learn something about what I'm doing and implement it into your strategy. If you found something new or interesting in this video, hit that subscribe button to stick around and follow my journey. Like always, I hope you guys all have a great day. Thank you for watching, and bye.